Hello, my friend. It's so nice to see you again and here. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector, and today I want to share with you, my friend. Yes, this is our valve assembly. Okay, friend, please follow me. Let's check the details, okay? For our product, we pack it with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yes, it's mental friendly. Yeah, we are devoted to the mental friendly product. Yes. Okay. There has a label on this part. On the first line of the label is our Shumatt logo. Yes, if you want all to print with your own logos, you can contact us. Yeah, we can help you to design the logo, the label, and the packaging bag, and so on. Yeah, if you have this demand, please contact us. And on this part is the model number. A model number is the F00RJ03556. And on this part, it's application inject model number. It's 0445120387, and the other one is the 0445120481. And this is a QR code. Use your phone to scan this small little QR code. And other information is on the label. Let's check the inside details. Okay, by the way, from you can see the inside is a packaging with a transparent bottles, right? We have the two types of our packages. Yes, and for today I will show you this one. This is this. You can open it in this way. Yes, this is the inside part. We pack it with the oil paper. Let's see the oil paper. Wow, this is our valve assembly. For our valve assembly, we not only seal in the whole side, but also we seal in the separate part. This is a valve cap. Yeah, the valve cap. The valve cap actually there had a coating and with some colored letter on it. Yeah, and this is a valve rod. For our valve rod, we have different lengths. We have different sizes. If you had the demand, if you want other sizes, you can contact us. We can supply you the customized services. Each item is before we seal it, we will test it many times. So our product really have the very high qualities. Okay, so much for today's product details, and actually we have many kinds of product, right? If you are not familiar with our product, you can send us product code. We can help you to check it, and also we have an app. You can download the app and to find more information about our valve assembly. Actually, Caitlin have 3 little tips I want to share with you. And the first tip, if you want to clean the spare parts, remember to use oil to clean it. The second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. The third tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. Okay, that's all the details I want to share with you. Actually, each week we have different video and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube channel. Yes. If you like my videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repackaged pumps, parts for the pumps. Yes, any items if you are interested, remember to contact us and follow us at our channel. Feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye, guys.